Hello and welcome to another Roast tutorial. Today we're going to look at how we can create a Shopify dashboard inside Notion using embedded tables and charts from a Rows spreadsheet. To get started, we'll set up the spreadsheet in Rows. I've created a table here called Orders, where I have 4 columns: Order ID, Created At, Total, and Items. I've also created a chart at the top here to visualize the data, and I've created a table that summarizes it. Once we have our table set up, we can go into the Make platform to set up our scenario. First, you'll need to set up the Shopify module. You'll want to connect your account and change the financial status here to paid. I've added a sleep function inside the scenario with a delay of 1 second so that we do not hit any rate limits. Afterwards, we'll add the Rows module, select the spreadsheet, and the table that we want to send the data to. We'll select that the table does contain headers so that we can see the text of each column inside our spreadsheet. We'll then map the data from the Shopify module into this Rows module. I've used some make functionality here in order to format the data to ensure that it's at the correct format for my spreadsheet. Once you've set that up, you can click Run, and you'll see that your data is getting sent to your spreadsheet. Because this data is live, your dashboard inside Notion will have updated automatically to reflect all the changes